My friends recently moved into an old house. The first night there, they heard what sounded like screams in the walls. They assumed that it was just the house settling, or maybe some pipes. But then they started to notice that any sound that entered the house seemed to get muffled. Footsteps were silent. Spices barely echoed. Even when they dropped a glass on the floor, it made no sound. It was as if the house was swallowing all of the noise. At first, they thought it was just an old house thing, but then they started to hear whispers in the attic. Whispers that sounded like they were right outside their bedroom wall. They could hear scratching sounds, like something trying to get in. And then one day, they found a pair of glasses in the attic that looked exactly like their missing neighbor's glasses. It's at that moment they realize that the house isn't just swallowing the sound, it's devouring it. And whatever is making the noise in the walls is still out there, eating all the sources of sound one by one.